Users often find they need to import tens of thousands of signals, generated in other applications, into Process Simulate. The external applications store signals with all their parameters in spreadsheets or text files. With the Process Simulate importer, you'll load the signals as raw data, adapt them to the required format, and then actually import them into Process Simulate. So, from the Control tab, click Import Signals. Now select the signal file you want to import. For example, you may want to import the signals stored in an Excel file, created by a colleague, using Process Simulate. Click Open. And the signals are loaded, as raw data. In this case, there are 2 header rows, so set the number of header rows to 2. Now, drag the columns of raw data, one by one, to the signal name, and type, and address columns, in the Import Signals table, below. Notice that the header rows are omitted. Optionally, you can also drag data into the comment column. Now for a moment, let's leave the case of Excel stored signals, and demonstrate loading signals from an SDF file created in the TIA portal. For text files, in addition to the header rows control, there are also the encoding and delimiter controls. Since this text file has one header row, set the control accordingly. Set the encoding format to the correct one, if necessary. Similarly, it's also important to know which delimiter is used in the signal file, for example, commas, and set that if necessary. Now, drag the columns of raw data to their relevant targets. Now that you've set up the Import Signals table with signals from an Excel or SDF file, click Import. This shouldn't take very long, even when there are tens of thousands of signals. When done, you can view a log. Having imported the signals from their external source, they display in the signal viewer, allowing you to manipulate them with all the powerful tools in Process Simulate.